Alright, so the bracket that they sent with the kit doesn't work for my application. That kind of sucks. What are you going to do? So it doesn't pull it far enough away from the wall. So see how short this is if I put this here compared to what I used instead. I drilled a 1/2 inch hole out of here. So now that faucet's going to fit right in there. Instead, I used anchors, green ones, put them in there. This is pretty heavy duty, so it should be good. So that's kind of what happened. So I'm going to do that. I'm going to put this in here like this. Right here. Sorry. Yeah, so I'm going to put the, see, I'm just going to put the faucet in like this. Bam. Oh, sorry. This goes in here like this. Perfect. That's it. So that's going to be the setup, and now it's going to go right into my saltwater mixing container. It's going to be able to pour right in there, and then say we need to fill containers up, right? I don't know if this one's going to fit, but say we have to put containers up. Like I said, this thing can hold like 200 pounds. I got my little container. Bam, fill it up, done. So now I can fill it up from there too. I didn't know I was going to make it that high. Shit. A lot higher than what I thought. Alright, what are you going to do? So, that's it. That's just a update. I just wanted to put a little update on this faucet. This is probably how I'm going to do it. And then connect the that blue water tube to the bottom there. And then I'm going to make probably another line that comes off and wraps around the back here and goes into the automatic top off, because I plan to have an automatic top off. So I'm going to tee this off and have an automatic top off. This way I could just fill it up with regular RO, be done with it, and I don't got to lift it up, or because 5 gallons, I have a bad back. I don't want to be lifting stuff like that for no reason all the time, you know? So, alright, cool. Thank you for watching.